In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload project to GitHub using Firebase Studio. So the first thing you have to do, of course, inside your Firebase Studio, you want to open up your app, your project, and you want to click on up here where it says switch to code. Now, when you are inside the code, this is actually very simple. You have to go to this bit here where it says source control. If you can't see it, go up here, and then inside here, you can basically go to view and click on, let me allow it, there we go. You can go to view, and then in here, you can open up source control, and it's going to pop this up. Now, when you do that, it's going to allow you to click on publish branch. So just click on this, and then it's going to say the extension GitHub wants to sign in using GitHub. Click on allow, and this is basically going to give you a code over here. So it says to finish authenticating, navigate to GitHub and paste it in the above one-time code. So click on copy and continue to GitHub. This is going to basically put you on the login screen here. You can select your account here and press continue. And when you do that, it's going to ask you for the code, so it's automatically copied it. I can now just paste it in, press continue again, and it's going to basically authorize here, and you can just click on where it says authorize Visual Studio Code here, as you can see. And when you do that, you can also type in your password, so you basically sign into your account in case you are not signed in yet. And there we go, it's going to say congratulations, you are all set, your device is now connected. And if I go back over here, you can now see I can click on publish to GitHub private repository or GitHub public repository. I'm going to do the private one up here, and this is going to basically start publishing. And when it happens, you can click on open on GitHub, and you'll be able to open your GitHub over here, and just like this, there we go, this is now basically my code, and this is my app in here inside GitHub, and I've basically successfully uploaded the project from Firebase to GitHub. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.